Spice up your dinners with this Louisiana classic. It's easy, packed with flavor, and uses pantry ingredients. Start by sauteing your onion, bell pepper, and celery. Add the sausage. And once the onions are clear, add the flour mix, tomato sauce, and 2 to 3 cups of broth. Your sauce will thicken as it cooks, so right now it should be on the thin side. Then add the bay leaves and Worcestershire. Cover and cook at a simmer for 45 minutes to an hour. After the cooking time is complete, the sauce should have thickened. Taste and adjust the salt and pepper. You can add your shrimp directly to the Creole, or you can brown it first. When you're ready to serve, add the parsley and garlic. Hot sauce is something we put on the table so each person can add it to their liking. Your Creole is then ready to be served over hot cooked rice. Thanks for watching, and check out my playlist for other great weeknight recipe ideas.